So after joining this platform within 72 hours, this is 3 days now, and I've been able to get my first sales, that is my first commission of $22.05 within 72 hours. I made this through online, and if you are interested to start an affiliate marketing program, if you want to become an affiliate marketer, then just check my profile, get my WhatsApp link, click on that, and I will be able to show you all the tips, all the tricks that you need to be successful as an affiliate marketer in this year 2024. I'll be giving you all the necessary information that you need to be successful as an affiliate marketer, because affiliate marketing is one of the best, one of the lucrative online job that you can take, and you only need about 2 hours every day. And if you are not lazy, then just hit on the WhatsApp link on my profile and I will take you through. See you there. Bye bye.